Today, I'll show you how to stop Adobe Acrobat from automatically opening your PDF files. If you're like many people who prefer using a different PDF viewer, this quick guide will help you change your default settings with ease. Let's get started. First, you'll want to locate any PDF file on your computer. This could be a document you've recently downloaded or one that's been sitting in your folders for a while. Once you've found a PDF file, right-click on it. This will bring up a context menu with a variety of options that you can choose from. In this menu, look for the option that says Open With. Once you hover over it, you'll see an additional menu pop up. From here, select Choose Another App. This step is crucial as it will allow you to set a new default program for opening PDF files. Now, you'll be presented with a list of applications that can open PDF files. If you prefer using a web browser, you might want to choose Chrome or Edge, both of which offer robust PDF viewing capabilities. Alternatively, if you have another PDF application installed, like Foxit Reader or PDF Exchange Editor, feel free to choose that instead. The choice is entirely yours, depending on which tool you find most user-friendly and efficient for your needs. Once you've made your selection, there's an important box you'll need to check. Look for the option that says Always use this app to open .pdf files. By checking this box, you're telling your computer to remember your preference and open all PDFs with your chosen application from now on. This step ensures that you won't have to repeat this process every time you open a PDF. After you've checked the box, go ahead and click OK. With this click, you'll finalize your choice, and Adobe Acrobat will no longer automatically open your PDF files. Instead, your chosen application will take over, providing you with a streamlined and personalized experience. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the default PDF viewer on your computer. This simple adjustment can save you time and enhance your productivity, especially if you find other applications more suited to your workflow. If you ever want to switch back to Adobe Acrobat or try another PDF viewer, simply follow these steps, again choosing a different application as your preference. It's that easy to customize your settings and tailor your computer's behavior to fit your needs. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it empowers you to take control of how your computer handles PDF files. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for other handy tech tips and tricks.